Okay, so my son has a baseball game in like 20 minutes. So this is going to be a quick coffee today. We're going to start with some half and half. I always pour it in my hand so I know how much I'm getting. I don't want a lot. They're clean. Pop that up in the cup that we're going to use. Nice and frothy. And then I love to clean this. I just rinse it under the water and then I turn it on. It cleans itself. But a caramel. I'm going to do some ice. Now a little bit of cold brew. I know it looks delicious, doesn't it? Put the lid on. Give a nice little swirl. These cups are awesome. They don't, look at that. They don't leak or anything. Just shake it. Shake, 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 shake. Good to go. All right, going to a baseball game.